Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm in the members area of Reseller Riot 2. Here's the dashboard of this members area. So you got support, logout, get bonuses. Anyway, we'll come back to that later. I'll go over to my bonus page where you, when you pick up your copy of Reseller Rights Riot off from my link, you'll get these bonuses. So here we are here, Reseller Riot 2.0. So you know that's what we're on about here. It's a David Islam product. So start 2023 with a bang. 100% reseller rights to all to 20 best selling products that you can sell as your own. So there you go. There you have it. See. So what is Reseller Riot 2.0 all about? Well, let's find out, shall we? The Ultimate Reseller Rights Bundle. Get 100% reseller rights to 20 of my best-selling 2022 products, including 2 times deal of the day winners that sold over 1,000 copies each. There you go. So there you go. Front end Reseller Riot 2.0, $9.95. Access to powerful Reseller Riot 2.0 software and training modules. Upsell number 1. Reseller Riot bonus every giveaway. Rights $47, downsell $27. Pick up the rights to give these products away as well. Use them as brilliant lead magnets, or give them away as bonuses when you are selling other affiliate products. See, so there you go. You can do that as well. That's good, and that's a good idea, that one. That's a good one for doing that, yeah. Upsell 2, Executive Club, $37, downsell to $17. Put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game. Get notified at least a week before the launch of all new releases by David. So, you know, David, so yeah, upsell number 3, reseller rights $47, downsell $27. Get reseller rights to Reseller Riot 2.0 and enjoy commissions across the sales funnel. So you get 100% across that sales funnel as well. So that's another perk for you, another brilliant idea, you know, where you can sell this product and get 100% commissions across the funnel. Upsell number 4, done for you weekly campaigns, $97, downsell to $47. Get sent 3 times done for you campaigns each and every week. So there's another one. Upsell number 5, total traffic fixed, $197, downsell $97. A massive boost of extra traffic, 10 times free super solo ads to over 30,000 members across the 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche. Free VIP upgrades worth over $1,500 at all 25 sites. Free membership, free permanent banner ads at all 25 sites. So there you go. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Yes, you're probably going to be interested in that. 100% reseller rights to 2.0 to 20 best-selling products. Keep all the profits for yourself. Guarantee approval regardless of affiliate's score. Use all the products yourself, your own products, without the hassle of making them. An easy way to start your own business from scratch. So all of this is covered by no questions asked, 30-day money-back guarantee, of course. Of course it is. That's how that works. All right. Okay. So with that, get Reseller Rights. Reseller Rights, 2.0 to now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, access launch jacker, learn how to launch, learn to do launch jacking the correct way. This is a John Armstrong course. You don't have to log into it. You just go to straight to this course when you pick up this bonus, and John Armstrong will teach you how to do that, how to do launch jacking in this course. Bonus number 2, content creation hack. Another is a video by John Armstrong again, where he shows you what he does with his list and how he engages his list, either the easy way or the hard way. Easy way being through software, and the hard way being the which he shows you the hard way first, and then the easy way through software. So that's the video there. Bonus number 3. Bonus number 3. Well, that's bonus number 3 is access to lockdown formula. This is a course by David Islam. So where he gives you access to reseller rights to some of his older products, and he shows you what to do and how to resell those. Okay, so that's the other one. It's a good one as well. Okay, so got reseller rights on lockdown, on the lockdown formula, how to use that. So you can use that with this. So with Reseller Riot as well. So bonus number 4, value $267, access mobilely advanced traffic course, of course. So you can do that as well. Right, this is another course by Jono. Don't have to log into it. Just go straight to it and watch the videos and learn what to do with regards to that. With the mobile course, mobile course here. And then bonus number 5, $197. Take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. Yeah, that's it. And that's how that is. So, and okay, so that's that. I'm Tony Maynard, the creator of this bonus page, and we'll go now to the sales page. Right, sales page here. Start 2023 with a bang. 100% reseller rights to 20 best-selling products that you can sell as your own. So they're giving you a good start in 2023, plus the other stuff as well. Keep rolling in with 100% commissions. So you go standard sales page here. Here's all the products that David is offering. So I mean this guy's a real prolific product creator and seller. So he is. Got a really profitable business. So which he's built. So which is good for him. Not good for me, but anyway, good for him. Yeah. Well, and then you got your bonuses. Bonus 1, TweetX. Bonus 2, Super Shakedown. Bonus 3. Having trouble with my mouse here. We'll get that sorted. Facebook Profits. Bonus 4, Destiny 2021. Bonus 5, Affiliate Takeoff. And 30-day money-back guarantee as stated. And that's the end of that. That's the end of the sales page. All that for $9.95 according to the sales page. See? So, I mean, that's pretty good, isn't it? Really. So there you go. That's the sales page. So we'll go to members area now, and where I was in the beginning, and we'll quickly go through this. So here we are in the members area, and there's David there giving you a 1-minute overview. 1 minute, and then you got your overview here of what here, see, where he'll probably give you an overview. Let's see if that's right. Yes, he's the one giving you the overview. There he is there. And then you're getting, there's a list of products, there are 21 products here. So you're getting one extra. See, he said 20, but he's giving you one extra value. You see, so that's how he works. There they are. They all are there. And then you've got your resources here as well, which is the free squeeze pages. You've got that too thrown in. Then you've got the conclusion, okay, which will probably be done by him as well. So we'll go up there and have a look, see if that's correct. Yes, it is. So he's doing that. So you got your bonuses, which were mentioned on the sales page. Here they are there. And then you've got your resort, your upgrades as well. There's the upgrades as I went through on my bonus page. And then you've got your global, get a free product every month, global ambassador bonuses. So you can do that. So, you've got your unannounced bonuses, unadvertised bonus. So there they are there. So you can do that as well. So you've got that as well. So it's quite a package that you've got here. And those are, and all the products that David's put in, into this package that he's put together. So from all his products from last year, and giving you reseller rights on that. So there you go. That's the members area, and it's just you go through it and you get your apply for that. I guess you just that's what you do, I guess. Let's have a look and see, shall we? Oh well, no, you can't. So yeah. So this is what this membership is about. Okay, we put that up. Okay, we've got to go up again. So we'll go up again and we'll have a look. Here we go at so we'll go up to here and we'll have a look and see what happens when we click on one. There we go. And then he'll tell you exactly what you have to do. So, send your receipt to contact at, so he Elite Tigers Group org. And that's how this guy works, He ain't going to give you nothing for free. So, you want access to this. Well, he'll tell you how to get access. Just send your receipt. So it'll be the same on all of them. So once you've sent your receipt, then he'll give you access to all the 21 of his products. Okay, reseller rights. But you've got to pay for it. You see, that's just the way it is. Okay, so that's the overview of that, of the members area. That's what you're going to get when you pay, when you buy this product. You're going to get reseller rights, so you can sell it and get 100% of all the commissions throughout all the funnels. So, so that's what's going to happen there. All right. So, thank you for watching. So my advice is get a copy, because if you, it's a good one, especially when you can actually also, if you choose. If you go with one of the upsells, you can actually also give them away as bonuses. So that's another one. So that's a really good one as well. So and you'll get the right to do that from David as well. So anyway, thank you for watching, and get your copy of Reseller Riot today 2.0. And I'll see you again on another video. And have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.